Hey everyone, welcome back to Investor Bros. So in this new episode of Behavioral Economics, we're going to be talking about concessions. The Google definition for it is concessions are the changes you are willing to make in the sales meeting to the sales proposal. So essentially anybody in a reasonable exchange, when they turn down a proposal, subconsciously they feel bad about it. And that means that the next proposal, if it seems more reasonable, they are more inclined to accept. For example, back when I used to work at Men's Warehouse, which is a men's clothing store, when somebody walked in, the first thing you would try to sell them is a suit. You would try to sell them a full suit for $350, $400, and once they turned it down, you would have a second proposal, which would be like, let's say, a $50 shirt or a $50 belt, or maybe $100 shoes. A potential customer will be much more inclined to accept that offer because it almost seems as a concession, like you're trying to meet them in the middle. You see this happen everywhere. In sales funnels, for example, those guys that try to sell you courses, they'll initially start with a $3,000 course, and once you turn that down, they'll offer you a PDF for $100. And those get a good amount of conversion because it's seen as a concession. So how you can apply this to your business is, if you're selling a high value product or an expensive product, offer a secondary product just in case they reject the first one, and you're more likely to sell that second than make no sales at all. Alright, that's pretty much it on concessions on behavioral economics. If you're enjoying any of this content, just leave a like, a comment, and maybe a subscribe possibly. As always, have a good day and happy investing.